Today I'm going to be reviewing the supplement Tribulus Terrestris. Right here I have Nootropics Depot 500 milligram Tribulus Terrestris capsules. It has a minimum prodiacin content of 20%. I've used a couple different brands of Tribulus, Nootropics Depot and Now Sports more specifically. And I have to say, as far as the community of testosterone boosting supplements, Tribulus might actually be the most slept on supplement in the community. If you didn't know, Tribulus actually used to be in a lot of those old testosterone boosters that used to be marketed to young men. Things like Test X, Testofin. A lot of those testosterone proprietary blends have been phased out, but one thing that I noticed common in almost all of them was the addition of Tribulus. There are three main benefits I'm gonna go over today that I've noticed personally from using Tribulus on and off for at least 6 months. Benefit number one, it helps you with your lifts in the gym tremendously. By far, Tribulus Terrestris, even more than pre-workout, has helped me with having more explosive lifts in the gym, being able to endure longer in the gym, so my workouts going from like 45 minutes to easily being able to work out for 2 hours, and also being able to recover a lot quicker after my workouts. Since I first started using Tribulus, I've noticed that I don't really feel muscle soreness. It's strange because I'll be going hard in the gym, much harder than before I started supplementing with Tribulus, but I don't feel the same soreness after my workouts. It's a really nice thing because I'm able to go back in and continue to get back to lifting quicker. Also, I don't really feel fatigue in the gym. I'm able to have an intense, explosive workout session for an hour and a half straight, even 2 hours sometimes, pushing it without feeling any fatigue. By far, Tribulus is almost like a Superman supplement when it comes to doing lifts in the gym. It feels unfair at times. Benefit number two, if you've seen some of my videos on maca and other supplements, you know that I look for supplements all the time that will increase performance in the bedroom, and Tribulus is one of them ones, man. After I started supplementing with Tribulus, I noticed first and foremost, I was able to last a lot longer in bed. If you're a young man engaging in intimate activity, you know sometimes the pressure and how much that, like, if you like a girl or, you know, if that thing is hitting right, it can be kind of hard to last sometimes. Let's just be honest. And Tribulus is a supplement that I didn't even realize, but it helped me last a lot longer in bed. I'm talking 20, 30, 40 minutes sometimes, which was a new thing to me. And it happened after I started supplementing with Tribulus. I also noticed harder and stronger erections. From using Tribulus, my joint has been hard as a Geodude. You're into Pokemon, you know what I mean? It's hard as a rock. Not only that, but Tribulus actually helps my libido go up as well. If you see my video on maca, you know that I've never really been that into like sex or intimate behavior that much. It's almost been a challenge for me at times with my libido, but Tribulus actually has helped me want to pursue more intimate dealings. I'll take it before sexy time, and within 30 minutes to an hour, I'm pouncing on my girl. She literally can't get away from me, consensually, not trying to get canceled. And the third and final main benefit that I've noticed from supplementing with Tribulus is it actually helped increase my appetite. I've struggled with issues with my appetite my whole life, never wanting to eat, always feeling sick whenever I had to eat food. It's been a real challenge for me throughout my life. But when I started supplementing with Tribulus, it's actually one of the first supplements that I tried to help increase my testosterone, and I noticed almost immediately after that I had a big hunger. I really just wanted to eat so much more, and it was a newfound thing. By supplementing with it, my appetite increased tremendously and has stayed up there as such. This might be an entourage effect from me also going harder in the gym. I'm not sure. Maybe by expending more energy in the gym, having more explosive lifts, that actually led to me wanting to eat more food and consume more calories so that my body could have more energy. I'm not sure, but either way, I'll take it. I've been trying to bulk for a really long time, so increased appetite has really helped me personally. If you guys haven't tried Tribulus yet, I definitely recommend it. Out of all the supplements that I've tried to increase testosterone, I give Tribulus a 9.5 out of 10. It helps in the bedroom, it helps with my appetite, it helps my lifts in the gym. It almost doesn't get any better than this. It's just something I want to add. I didn't get my blood work tested before I started using Tribulus, so I can't say if it actually increased my testosterone levels like by points, but it feels like it has in my body, if that makes sense. Usually when your testosterone goes up, things like your performance in the bedroom, your lifts in the gym, and your appetite increase. So from this, I've been able to deduce most likely my testosterone has increased. But on the flip side, even if it hasn't, most people want to increase their testosterone for these benefits anyways, so you might as well just try it. This was my review on Tribulus Terrestris, more specifically Nootropics Depot version of it, the 500 milligram. I've also tried Now Sports Tribulus, which is just as good in my opinion. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you've tried Tribulus before. What has your experience been with it? Have you guys felt as much benefits as I did from it? Let me know below. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alton. Welcome. If you're into this type of content, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be posting more content like this very soon. Much love, guys.